Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing access. Enable Device 2FA and set a strong PIN in the Vault app so unauthorized access is blocked. Once done, grant only the storage permissions the app needs and import the photos you want hidden directly into the Vault's import tool. Make sure to turn off any automatic photo backups first, because you don't want duplicates appearing in cloud folders. Finally, confirm import success by viewing one file inside the Vault. Next, you organize and harden the Vault. Create discrete folders or ambiguous labels so the content doesn't stand out. Then, disable thumbnail previews and app notifications so nothing leaks onto lock screens or galleries. Once that's set, enable the app's encryption and choose an auto-lock interval. Shorter intervals reduce exposure time. Make sure Cloud Sync is off for Vault items, otherwise hidden photos may reappear in synced galleries. Finally, test file access and locking behavior several times to confirm settings. Finish by verifying every photo opens inside the Vault, then securely delete the original copies from your main gallery and clear media caches so thumbnails vanish. Once done, create an encrypted backup of the Vault to an external drive or secure location and record recovery steps separately. Make sure you test the PIN recovery option now so you understand the process. Troubleshooting tip: if you forget the PIN, use the app's official recovery method or your encrypted backup. Do not factory reset without a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.